Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the upgrade video. Today I'm gonna upgrade the motherboard, the processor, the memories and some hard drives. But also I'm gonna change the cooling for the CPU. But I will start by showing you the motherboard unboxing from the package. It came well packaged. Now I have taken it out from the box. And I'm going to show you some accessories as well. The Wi-Fi antenna. So here it is unpackaged. It's looking pretty good, I have to say. I like the dark tone of it. It looks really nice. And here is the CPU. It's an AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. I chose this since it's good at both editing and gaming. And I do both, so perfect for me. Here is a closer look. Okay, time to mount it. I'm just gonna see that no pins are bent before I install it. Yeah, it's fine. I have removed the plastic. Time to install. I wiggled it around a bit to see if it's correctly seated before I'm closing it. If the cover pops up like that, it should be fine. It looks fine, as you can see. Now let's install some memories. I chose these Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 from Corsair. These are also AMD EXPO. It's very important to not forget that. I've read that some people have issues with memories without AMD EXPO with Ryzen CPUs, so be careful when picking memories. I'm gonna put them in slot 2 and 4 as the manual says. Okay, time to unbox them. Look at that. Nice.
Nice.
Here a closer look. Time to put it in. Där. Och så. Installation was successful.
Yeah, boy.
Time for number 2. The other one was a bit trickier, but I got it in eventually. All done. Time for some hard drives. Releasing the screws so we can remove the heat spreader. Going to put this SSD in. iCUE 520 1TB. An easy installation. Press it in firmly, then lower it down. No screws needed on this motherboard. Don't forget to remove the plastic. It's very important or it won't function as intended. It's actually very common that people miss this. Place it firmly on the hard drive and tighten the screws. Installation complete. I also got this bad boy, a 4TB SSD. Okay, so now it's basically rinse and repeat. Remove the screws, remove the heat spreader and the plastic, of course. Closer look at the SSD. Look how easy it is to install it. Put it in, put it down, and tighten the joint. It's done. This is also going in, my old SSD. And this is installed backwards or upside down. And once again, I am removing the plastic. This is very important. Don't forget this, guys. And on the other side as well. There. Place the heat spreader back firmly and tighten the screws. So, I'm also going to put this in, another old one. And we're done. That went quick. Okay, I have removed the screws around the CPU and removed the bracket. Time to install the motherboard. It's in place. Time to insert some screws. There, all the screws are in. I'm just going to show you where they are so you don't miss one if you're installing this motherboard. That's it. Now to the CPU cooler. We're going to install the Corsair iCUE H150i Elite LCD cooler. I think it will fit nicely. Okay, so I'm going to start by lowering in the radiator. And I'm going to try to fit the cooler on the CPU. Which is a bit tricky, I might add. I have to look so I put it in the right position with all the cables and the wiring. It's actually a bit trickier than I thought.
The name is Doctor. Dis. Respect. The two-top. Back to back. If you step into my arena, this is the reality check.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.